Okay guys, let's unbox one of my packages. This is an old package, like I think middle of last year. That's a school bag. Like I think the next one should be backpack too. Yeah, that's a very big size backpack and lunch bag. There's three, I said, suppliers. They are very good qualities. Yeah, so that is the jewelry, and this one should be adult wear. I got this adult wear too for myself and to sell at my shop. Yeah, that is it. The two pieces set, very good quality too. Yep. Okay, so the next one should be, I don't know. Okay, let's open it. Oh, that's a shoe. A slippers. Yeah, the company did not pack my slippers complete the last time I ordered from them, so they sent it back to the warehouse in China, and it got to me. So this should be turtleneck. Yeah, I got this turtleneck for my husband. And what's this? I think the next one too is round neck for children. Yeah, I was so happy about the quality. I was so happy about the quality. If you want to get all this and be selling for yourself, or you want to be using it at home, or you just want to start a new business, just tap my link in bio. Chat me up. Fine, beautiful top too. I was so excited about the materials of the tops because I'm just buying for the first time from this company that time. So I was so excited about the quality of the material of the tops. Yeah, this was headband. This one is headband. Yeah, this is another type of headband. These headbands too, they are very good qualities. Yeah, very, very good qualities. Okay, let's continue. What is this? Is a sack. Okay, let's unbox it. While we're unboxing, oh, leggings, children leggings. Everything in that sack was children leggings. Everything. Children leggings. Okay. Children leggings. Okay, what is this? Oh, two pieces set for kids. Another set of leggings for children too. These ones are cotton leggings, like this. Yeah, this is adult dress for my shop. If you have urgent questions or you want me to teach you more about China importation, my WhatsApp contact is on the screen. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or drop a comment under this video. I'll teach you everything you need to know. I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in my next video. All right, bye.